What up Giovanni? Comm Net Serv Dev. Lazy bastard. Common network services and devices. Piano is nice. What services are common? DNS, DHCP, HTTP, file server, application server, SMTP, POP, FTP, TFTP, ping, telnet, SSH. Right? Isn't these protocols? Why would you call them services? I guess. Should we Google what all these are? We could. Boring as funk. Remind me, why would you want to pass the CCNA exam? Oh yes. Money. And you'd like to work with uninteresting people. Me too. I hope they somewhat interesting. I'm still recovering from my 93K steps adventure. Not really. But let's pretend. DNS. FQDN. What? Fully qualified domain names. I said FQDN. Fully qualified domain names. One more time. Nah. Anyway, domain name system aka DNS. But why not domain name service? I googled. It is system. But also domain name server. What a funk. So is it system, service or server? What is it, Jack? Or maybe domain name system service server? Ha ha ha. These nerds are okay, let it go. So DNS is solving FQDN to IP addresses. Meaning, it takes the bullshit name and maps it to some numbers. Maybe decimal or hexadecimal, but in the end binary. What? Yeah, that's is the thing. IP version 4 and 6. But not today, son. Not today. Maybe not ever. Ha ha ha. One day if I live long enough. Anywho. DNS. Next. DHCP. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. See? I told it is protocol. This protocol assigns IP addresses to host aka computers. When they connect to the networks. Internet boy. And then they communicate aka communicate with each other. Although I should not clarify what communicate means. Are we that dumb? Might be. Yes, Ralph. Next, HTTP server. This thing is hosting web pages. Hosting meaning keeping in his memory. I think. Right. Let us dumb this down a lot. Ha ha ha. Then clients aka Mr. aka cloudeeznuts aka clients connect to that web server and receive some content. Cool. Next, file server. Thing that holds some files. Interesting. Not. Has a lot of storage. Really? TLDR. Next. App server. What is this shy T? Apps installed on the network aka email maybe. All users can connect to this shy T. Okay. I see something like that working here. Next, SMTP and POP service. Maybe call it protocol. Maybe. One is for sending and one is for reading emails. SMTP and POP. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. And POP 3 maybe. POP 3. Post Office Protocol. Has nothing to do with post office, I guess. Next, FTP. File Transfer Protocol. Uses TCP aka Transmission Control Protocol. To connect and transfer file in the open for everyone to see. So we made SFTP. Secure File Transfer Protocol. Which has the same port number as SSH. Because it uses SSH and FTP to achieve same shy T. Okay. Let's not go further. Next, TFTP. What is this thing? Trivial, I guess. Trivial File Transfer Protocol Service. I guess it is not just protocol but protocol service. Okay. What? TFTP uses UDP aka User Datagram Protocol. But not protocol service? Okay. Uses UDP so does not support authentication. Usually for file transfer to switches and routers maybe. Maybe do not use it. Maybe. Next packet inter network groper. Ping. Groping the packets boy. This thing is groping them young packets boyo. Anyway command prompt ping IP address like 8.8.8.8 and C. Do it boyo. Next telnet. Very bad service. Everybody sees what you sees. Boyo. Don't do it. Telnet enables remote connection creation using text-based interface. What? To perform remote network administration? Nah, use SSH. But maybe to connect to a switch or router. You could telnet to these devices. You don't care boyo. It is getting long. This monologue. Next SSH. Secure shell. But YH. SS would be bad, right? Boyo. SSH encrypts all communication. Username and password aka is a secure telnet service protocol. Okay, I'm done. So DNS, DHCP, HTTP server, file server, application server, SMTP, POP, FTP, TFTP, ping, Telener, SSH. Bye.